Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to go live on your Instagram account. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is first open your Instagram account, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on the horizontal lines at the top right corner. Over here, simply look for the option called Account Types and Tools. All you do is simply switch your personal account to a professional account. Click on Switch to Professional Account, then click on Next. Choose whatever category you want over here, and then click on Done. Simply wait for a few seconds. After that, choose Creator and click on Continue, and then you can go back. After that, you should refresh your homepage and you should be able to see your professional dashboard. Now, click on the plus option at the top left corner of your profile. You should see these options, and over here, you should also see the Live option. Now, if you are unable to see the Live option currently, it is because you don't have enough followers. In order to use the Live feature, you will need at least 1,000 followers. So once you get the 1,000 followers, the Live feature will unlock for you, and it'll be right over here. That's it. Now you know exactly how to use the Live feature on Instagram. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.